If you're ready to get paid, raise your hand. Welcome back to another action-packed video for yours truly, Splassive and the Splash Network. Now, this is maybe my 12th video or something like that. I'm going to keep making videos because people need to become more aware of the possibilities of what's out here in the DeFi space. One thing that keeps me going when everything else just feels very, very strange is I tell myself, this is new. Don't worry, man. All this stuff is new. Dudes losing their minds over sustainability. This stuff is new, man. I mean, there's been projects. I mean, I even invested into BitConnect back in the days. BitConnect, y'all. And that was a real Ponzi scheme. So if you guys never heard of that, there's some funny videos out there. I didn't make any videos back then. But yeah, dudes was getting rugged and scammed. So people been getting scammed for a while. But a lot of these DeFi games, these farming, yield farm games, node games, and things of that nature. This stuff is very new. As far as, especially when it comes to like having options. I'm not talking about one or two projects and stuff like that. Look at this chart, y'all. I mean, right here, we were at $7. If you look at the right. So guys, the reason why this is important, y'all, is because I got in at about $3. There were dudes crying in the Telegram and giving up at $8 to $7. I wish there was a way I can go back and just show you guys those messages. There were guys in the Telegram complaining about not getting in because the price is already $8. So imagine if you were one of those guys that gave up at $8 and then look at this graph. Dudes, don't let these guys in the comment section with no avatar, you don't know what they look like, you don't know what they sound like, you can't find them online. Don't let those guys talk you out of your future. Because what you don't want is your grandchildren saying, Papa, Mama, what in the hell were you doing when dudes was out there getting it popping in the DeFi space? What are you going to tell them? Because I already know I'm going to say, I'm creating the story right now, but what are you going to say? You see? I mean, now, the same guys who was complaining about the price at $7, they complained about it at $11. They complained about it at $14. They complained about it at $15. They complained about it at $17. They complained about it at $21. They complained about it at $25. They complained about it at $28. They complained about it at $30. They complained about it at $32. And then when it dropped, they said up. When they saw it dropping, oh my God, they're rug pulling. Like, and then you got to ask yourself, do these guys ever have anything positive to say? And if they don't, do they have any solutions? See? You see? Don't let me sit here and pop off, y'all. Don't let me do it. Don't let me do it, y'all. Because if you want to start, the link is in the description. If you want to start, you want to sign up, link in the description. You need a buddy address to sign up. So I definitely recommend, if you don't use mine and you want to use someone else's, then as long as you get in, because you don't want to be the price complainers. Oh, the price dropped. Oh, it's tanking. Oh, and then it stopped tanking and start going back up. Oh, 24 is too high. It's 27 is still too high. Like, you guys gotta leave those guys alone, man. Because now at this point you should have been like, you know what? I listened to you long enough. Now what's that episode with that part on Samuel L. Jackson on Snakes in the Plane? Now enough is enough. Like, you gotta get to the point where, man, enough is enough. I done had it with these fudders, and these guys just trying to drive me insane. Look at this, man. Now we here to the sky. We here to the sky. Where y'all want to go? Y'all like to show pictures of moons and stuff like that? Y'all like that? Listen, y'all, we cracking 37. On and off, on and off, on and off. Dudes are trying to get paid. So guys taking profit, people hydrating, people selling, you know, all kind of stuff. But yeah, this is a chart, man. Join Splassive. This is not financial advice. So if you know, consult with somebody first. Consult with a financial advisor. You know what I'm saying? If that's what you need to feel comfortable in investing, only invest what you're willing to part ways with. So far, this project is doing me very, 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 very good. Now, I didn't show you guys some L's. This is a W so far. Literally. You know what I'm saying? Now, you see some L's right here, like this is an L. But then we're gonna turn it into a W. It's gonna look like a W once you start zooming out. You know, and then it's gonna start looking like this. Just going up. You know, don't sit here and let me do this, y'all. So let's see what's going on in the top. Now, I did my infamous airdrop the other day. Now the video, the title looked kind of weird, but I need to make sure that the people on my team understood that the airdrop was going out, for the lack of better words, you know. So we gave everybody almost one splash. We coming out the gate generously. We coming out the gate generous, y'all. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna join his team because he don't give back. Man, we gave back to the down line. How's your boy? We get back to the down line. The guy on the down line got a splash, y'all. Now, while people are on the sidelines trying to figure out if I'm going to spell this word correctly today or if I'm going to pronounce this word correctly today, what you need to be figuring out is what buddy link I'm going to type in so I can get some sleep at night. So make sure you get some sleep. If you want to type mine in, type somebody's link in that's going to help you get some sleep tonight. But the goal is to get paid while you sleep. We're going to clap every time there's something need to be celebrated. Now, I need you guys to hit the like button because it's about to get real serious. It's about to get real serious, y'all. Now, I'm showing you every day. Y'all seeing a very modest account grow. That's what y'all looking at. You can look at my earliest video. It had about $1,900 in there. You just got to take my word for it that what I put in. Because that's from the price going from like $3 to wherever it went to by the time I was creating that video. So, yeah, man. You guys watching a guy go from 1,000 to working on 19,000, and this project has been out for less. Wait, I think it's been a week. It's been over a week now. Hold on. These days are going by fast. So yes, it's been about 8 days. I think it came out on the 11th, or maybe Wave came out on the 11th, and then the token came out on the 12th. It's something like that. I think Wave's token might have came out. But look at this, y'all. I'm pretty sure I hydrated this last night, but this is too good to be true. I feel like I did not hydrate this, man, because there's no way I made almost $600. So I had to have not hydrated this yesterday, and I don't know why I didn't do it. I don't know why I didn't do it. But we're gonna hydrate this mug. We're gonna hydrate this tonight. I think I probably said that yesterday, and then here we go, and I'm gonna say it again. Oh, we're gonna hydrate tonight, and I'm still gonna forget. So I'm gonna hydrate this tonight for real though. But you know, we might be walking away with 30 drip tonight. It's like, no, we might be not drip. We might be walking away with 20 splash tonight. And that's going in the deposit, y'all. Y'all better call customer service. It's like customer service. We on the moon getting customer service. You know, if you want to sign up, I have enough space for 2 more people. You know. And we're giving guys okay airdrops, by the way. We're giving guys okay airdrops. Why? Because I can afford to do that because my team's small. Now, when if the team get large, then the rewards will decrease. But hey, I'm not making up nothing new. That's just how this stuff go. So join the team while it's the right thing to do. While it's gonna make more sense, literally, in your account. If not, join somebody else's team, man. I need you guys to hit the like button And we're gonna run through this sentence, and I'm gonna keep doing this until I can't do it no more. Splassive's The Tap is a low risk, high reward contract that operates similarly to a high yield certificate of deposit by paying out 2% daily return on investment up to 360%. So if you don't know anything else about this project, whatever you put in here, this is going to be the dollar amount of what's in here. And you're going to get 2% of this, which is going to show over here. So your 2% dollar amount is going to show here based on how many splash you're getting. You see how that go? And this number is going up. So just know that whatever you deposit here, you're going to get 2% over here. And then whatever's over here, you can either hydrate, which is going to put more back into here, which is going to give you more over here thereafter, as long as the price, you know, stays the same or goes up. And then you can claim. And once you claim, you get this, whatever this amount is. Plus minus like 10, minus 10%, I believe. I believe it's a 10% tax. So minus 10%. And that 10% goes, this 10%, like if I want to take this out, you know, I'm putting what, $60 back into the wait, my math might be off, man, but I'm thinking around $60 back into the liquidity, the locked liquidity. So let's go to the well. Price is going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, but it's still crazy, y'all. It's still crazy. Splash balance it's gonna be locked up in here. Look how much we got in splash in USD. Oops, hold on. That's over 2 million. That's over 2 million, y'all. This is not a BS project. This is not a BS project, y'all. If that's what you're looking for, you're not gonna find it here. Sorry. But yeah, man. Definitely check out this project. It's going bananas. And don't let this crack 38 today. Don't let them do it, y'all. Don't let them do it 39 today. Don't let them do 38 today. Is that what y'all want? Other than that, man, we're going to try to make our way to 19,000. Shouts out to the team. Next airdrop will be Friday, because I'm going to try to do them every Friday. And just know we're going to hook y'all up. We're hooking guys up. You want to get hooked up? You better start pressing the right buttons, man. Other than that, man, it's your boy Ice. Like, comment, subscribe. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Check out the white paper. If you want to build a team, get waves from right here. Right there. You know what I'm saying. If you need some help, hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram is in the description. And if you want to sign up, link in the description, link in the chat. Other than that, it's Icy, and I'll see you guys on the next one.